Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Welcome today to a review on the Dyu Ff500. Stay tuned and I'll give you my thoughts on it. Okay, so in the usual fashion, we just run through all the specifications on this bike. Then we'll go down to Poole Harbour here in the south of England just to take it on a little cycleway down there. Try it up the usual test hill to just see how it climbs. A little bit of off-road, then we'll finish off with the final thoughts at the end. So I checked the price this morning. These are currently £1,099. I will put the link in the description for you. When it arrived, it came very well boxed indeed, no damage. Very quick and easy to put together. Just basically put the front wheel in, put the bars on, nut and bolt check, and you're good to go. So it took me about an hour to put together. Comes with all the necessary tools, charger, all that sort of stuff. So this has a 500 watt motor, rear hub drive, 48 volt battery, which is 14 amp hours. Takes about 7 to 8 hours to charge overnight. Range on this, you're going to get between about 30 and 40 miles, I would say, depending on what power assist level you have it in. Weighs in at around about 30 kilos. So height on this, I'm 5'7" tall, with a 30-inch inside leg, 170 centimeters. Just take a quick look at me on the bike and then you can compare that for yourself. It's quite a physically big bike. That's pretty much as low as that seat will go, and at 5'7", I'm on the balls of my feet. So if you're about sort of 5'3", 5'4", I wouldn't really think this bike would be suitable for you. It's quite a physically tall bike because of this suspension seat. But anyway, take a look at me on the bike. So to turn it on, just simply hold the M button there for a few seconds. It powers up the very nice LCD display that has your energy, battery level at the top, your speed, power assist level 1, 2 or 3, and your odometer and all your sort of trips and things like that. So that's all good. Mechanical disc brakes on this, bell, the usual Shimano index gears always work really well straight out of the box. Does come supplied with a throttle as well. You have lights on this, so you just hold the plus button, and we have a front light, and the rear light is a battery light which you just turn on by pressing the button there. So it is a folding design, this bike, with a very good decent sort of locking mechanism there. I'll show you that next. Also comes with a removable battery. Simply put the key in there. I'll show you that now. So you can charge the bike, you can charge the battery either on the bike or off, up to you. So to remove the battery, just turn the key, battery just comes out nice and easily, slides back in, and then reverse lock it back onto the bike. Simple. Nice that it comes with a decent rear rack. I would fit a little sort of pannier bag there, or side panniers. Now, I've not seen this before, but this has one of the most comfortable seats I've tried on one of these e-bikes. It's basically an airbag sort of cushion seat. You can pump it up there, pump there, and then you can release the air there. So very, very comfortable seat, combined with suspension and with these big 20-inch by 4-inch fat tyres and front suspension. It gives a very, very good quality ride. So this is IP54 waterproof. But looking around the bike, just initial thoughts: decent welds, sort of lockout front forks and rebound adjustable. Very smooth running, reasonably quiet rear hub motor. Full length mudguards, that's always nice. Side stand, decent brakes. I do like this sort of the bars on it, nice sort of narrow size, compact for if you're going to go through the city or town. Not really like the LCD display here. Turn the lights off. But all in all, just first impressions, a very nice looking sort of city e-bike, capable of off-road tracks and trails as well. Alright then guys, let's do this test ride. Okay, so we're just down here at the lovely Poole Harbour. Going to try the Dyu Ff500 down this tarmac cycleway. So to switch it on, just hold the M button for a few seconds and it defaults to assist level 1, which is what we'll start off in. Gear 4 at the moment, and a few turns of the pedals and the power comes in. So first thing I noticed about this bike is there's no squeaks or rattles. It rides exceptionally smoothly. It's very, very comfortable because of the nice big seat, big tyres, suspension seat and the front forks. So assist level 1, it's a nice bit of power. Probably in this mode you're going to get probably well over 40 miles, I would say, range. Just going along about 9 miles an hour in assist level 1. Up to assist level 2, and that's loads more power, up to around about the 16 miles an hour. Let's try the brakes out. Yeah, they've got a good bit of bite, they're bedding in nicely. Little bars, but they're still very manoeuvrable. Nice small front wheel, so front wheels on these, so very manoeuvrable. Assist level 3 now, and this thing is quick. It will whiz right up to about 20 miles an hour, so that's great. But for me today, we're just going to cruise at about 15 miles an hour. That's more than nice enough for me. Right, let's just see how the Dyu handles some light tracks and trails. Over the bumpy bridge. It's just a light gravel track with a few bumps. Just taking it nice and steady. So first off, this seat is so comfortable. It's air cushion, you can pump it up, and also it's suspension as well. The big balloon tyres, 20-inch by 4-inch tyres, really do give a nice smooth ride with the front suspension as well. It's more than capable of light tracks and trails. This is giving me a very, very smooth ride on these trails. So if you're planning some rides on this sort of terrain, I wouldn't take it on serious off-road. It's not that sort of bike, but there's no squeaks or rattles or anything like that. So yeah, good off-road capabilities on the tracks and trails for the Dyu. Great stuff. Right, we're just going to see how the Dyu handles this hill. This is about a 1 in 5, 20%. I'm currently in assist level 2, gear 5, and straight away, it is flying up this hill, 15, 16 miles an hour with virtually no effort for me whatsoever. So very, very impressive. And that's in level 2. Level 3 is even more impressive. So 5-star climbing ability for the Dyu. The usual index gears that we find on all these bikes, they work really easily. These do come with the supplied throttle. So it's a very upright position. The seats are really comfortable. Just down to assist level 1 now. Just really gently cruising along here. This bike is really nice. It runs so smoothly. The rear hub motor is very, very quiet out the back there. These index gears work an absolute treat. This thing has really, really good hill climbing ability. It will fly up any hill with ease, so plenty of power. It's very manoeuvrable in the sort of tightest of spaces. So if you were using this in town, having to weave through traffic, no problems at all. As I said, tracks and trails, no problems whatsoever. Right, let's just have a final thoughts up here. So there you are, guys, the Dyu Ff500. A really, really nice sort of do-it-all city all-terrain e-bike with the convenience of the folding design. I'm just going to run through it all. So first off, I was really very impressed with the way this bike rides. Very smooth running indeed. You've got these big fat tyres, front suspension, extremely comfortable sort of airbag pump-up seat, which is amazingly comfortable, plus suspension as well. So, you know, 5 stars for the ride quality of this. Excellent. That 500 watt rear hub motor provides loads of power, top speed of about 20 miles an hour, and climbs any hill with ease. So I like the fact that it's a folding design. You can adjust the height of the handlebars there. Battery comes out very easy as well to charge off the bike if you want to take it in to charge it. Comes with lights front and rear, a decent strong rear rack, so that's all good. Mechanical disc brakes, but they perform absolutely fine. So sort of the cockpit here is very nice. Nice grips with these sort of gel inserts here. All the power assist level works easily. Nice big clear LCD display. Gears work faultlessly straight out of the box as well. So there you are, guys, the Dyu Ff500. Very impressed with that. If you wouldn't mind posting your comments down below, please give me a like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you again in a week or so for another two-wheeled review. Ride safe, guys, all the best, and bye for now.